this is a recording. Everything will be used for you in the trial. So, how did you know?
Because I was told.
What were your first thoughts when you saw someone who looked exactly like you and had the same name?
You're next.
And what happened when they kidnapped you?
I cried again.
And then what happened when they tried to kill you?
I fought back.
And then what happened when you failed?
I didn't fail.
But you did. Identity theft is not a joke. 250,000 people die each year because of it, and this was just another victim. Camp Barney has actually had 25 cases in the past 2 days. Sorry, that was one of the new victims. He's next. Bye.